Hi, my name's Addison and I'm going to be teaching you how to sew. So you're going to make sure your back is straight and your feet are out in front of you. Then you're going to extend this and pull it out. And you're going to pull your wood thingy out. Then you're going to put two hands and you're going to push slightly. And you're going to do it again. Wait, hold on. Okay. Okay. Okay, technical difficulties. Hold on. Okay.
So what's an advice you would give to your younger self?
It doesn't go all the way up.
Okay. So then you're going to get your foot pedal thing. You're going to unravel it.
You know how they said people said they wouldn't change anything? I would go back to myself.
Then you're going to plug it up right here. Then you're going to put your foot pedal thing down where you can go like this. And then you're going to turn on your sewing machine. And the light will come on. See? Okay, then you're going to set up. Then you're going to put your spool pin thing. Then you're going to put your spool stuff. And you're going to put it down in there, wherever you would like. Then you're going to put it behind here. You're going to go up, then down, then around, just like that. Okay, then you're going to need some scissors. Give me 3 seconds. Okay, you're going to cut it in a diagonal so it's easier to go. So then you're going to put it through the little circle looking hole thing. It's kind of hard, but I got it. I get it. Okay. Okay, then you're going to put it through the little hole thing. Okay, then you're going to open this. Well, it's already in there, but you're going to take it out. You're going to,
You put this into your paddle for sewing. Put it on the floor.
okay, then you're going to get your looking thing, and you're going to put it in. It's going to be facing like this. You're going to put it inside here. Make sure this is rolled up.
Or did you start this?
Okay. Then you're going to put it inside there. Hear the little snap thing.
Just record it.
Then you're going to pull your string out just a little bit. And you're going to put it inside here facing that way. Then you're going to have some string out and you're going to close this. And then you're going to get your little circle thing and you're going to do it facing you like a quarter. And now you're ready to sew.